Let's make an object rotate infinitely in Godot. Create a new node and make it a node 3D. This is going to act as a container for the mesh that we want to rotate. Next, we're going to create a new script. Inside of this, let's delete some of the stuff that we don't need. We only need the process function. At the top here, we're going to change this to extends node 3D, and then we're going to add a variable called speed. The type is going to be vector3, and we're going to set it to vector3 with 0 for the x, 50 for the y, and 0 for the z. Now down inside the process function, which runs every frame, we're going to set rotation degrees plus equal to speed times delta. Delta is the time between frames, and that will keep this code from being frame rate dependent. Now we're going to open up the game and play, and you'll see that the truck is rotating. Because we used export in front of our variable, we're able to edit it in the inspector. You could change these values to make it rotate at different speeds on different axes, or set it to 0 for it not to rotate at all on that axis. If you'd like to see how to do this in Unity, check my other videos. I've got one for that too. Follow for more instant Godot tips.